All right, so for this portion, we're going to do a home safety checklist. So I'm going to ask you about some of the areas of your home, and I just want you to answer yes or no. If you answer no, I might suggest some recommendations to you to help with that safety, okay?
Excellent.
All right, so are lamp, extension, and telephone cords placed out of the flow of traffic?
Yes.
All right. Are small rugs and runners slip resistant? Yes, no, or some?
Some.
Okay. So I know this is something we've talked about since we started Matter of Balance, but sometimes maybe putting something grippy underneath your rug, or some of the recommendations I have on here is, apply the double-faced adhesive carpet tape or rubber matting to back of rugs and runners.
Mm-hmm.
Purchase rugs with slip-resistant backing. Check rugs and mats periodically to see if backing needs to be replaced. Placing rubber matting under rugs. Oh, yes. Have you ever seen when you walk in, I don't know if you've ever seen this, but the rugs are more rubber and then it has like the pretty rug over top of it.
Excellent.
Okay, so this is a good note. No, over time adhesive on tape can wear away. Rugs with slip-resistant backing also become less effective as they are washed. Periodically check rugs and mats to see if the new tape or backing is needed.
Very good.
Good. Okay. Are carpets and rugs in good repair?
Yes.
You just got some new ones in your bathroom, didn't you?
Yes.
Are all floors even without abrupt elevation changes?
Yes.
Yep. So when I did home evaluation on you for another class, you had a little bit of surface change, came up like maybe a half inch, but it's not too bad. So I noticed like from your kitchen to your dining room, you have that little piece of metal strip that comes up.
There's a strip.
Yep, but yours aren't too bad. They look pretty good. Are rooms and passageways kept clear and uncluttered?
Yes.
Are floors unwaxed?
Yes.
Are all rooms and hallways lit? Yes, for the most part, or no?
For the most part.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like your house is pretty well lit. Obviously, there's some areas that, maybe could use a light, but you can always turn on a flashlight or something if you feel uncomfortable.
Sure.
Okay, are light switches accessible and on entering the room?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, we'll go over one more page of this.
Mm-hmm.
Are emergency numbers posted on or near the phone? Other than 911?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in case of emergency, telephone numbers for the police and fire departments, along with a neighbor's number, should be readily available. Recommendation: write the numbers in large print and tape them to the phone or place them near the phone where they can be seen easily.
I can approve on that.
Okay. All right. Do you have access to a telephone if you fall or experience some other emergency which prevents you from standing and reaching a wall phone?
No.
Okay, so recommendation: have at least one telephone located where it'd be accessible in the event of an accident which leaves you unable to stand. So you do have one in your car that
And
you
I
take,
have one in my bedroom.
and you have one in your bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Seems to be sufficient right now.
Yeah. So the recommendation for this is have at least one telephone located where it would be accessible in the event of an accident which leaves you unable to stand. So,
Excellent.
okay. So kitchen. Do you have rubber mat on the floor in the sink area?
It's a mat. It's a rug, I think.
Yep. All right. Very good. And we can kind of talk about some of the areas that maybe would need a little bit more safety or that could improve.
Mm-hmm.
All right.